Hey everybody, this is Hair Sew Pretti back with another video of a frontal sew-in installation. We're using old bundles, but we're using a new frontal. The bundles are 20, 22, and 24 with an 18-inch HD frontal, all from my brand, hairsewpretti.com. Here I'm just applying the makeup to her cap and to her frontal, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed with the installation. Also, this is done in two segments. This is my sister, so she had to end up going somewhere, so you'll see me with a different wig on close to the end of the video. So it's the same day, we just did it in two different segments. So when she left, I just threw on the wig that I wanted to put on, and yeah. Okay, and so right here I'm just sewing in the tracks, and you're gonna see me do the flip over method. I don't cut my tracks at all unless I'm at the very top, and you don't want the top all bulky. So throughout this video you're not gonna see me cut any tracks, because I love to save my tracks, and that way the client or whoever can reuse their tracks, their bundles again, without you having cut up pieces in order to sew it in. Okay, and make sure when you're flipping the tracks over, you got two tracks, so make sure that you flatten the track out before you sewing, and make sure you hit those corners really good, like go through it about 3 times so that it can be flat to the client's head, so you won't have no bulkiness in the corners or pretty much anywhere else. I don't penetrate through my tracks when I'm sewing, but at the corners I do. And now that the lace is melted, I'm cutting the lace off with my eyebrow razor. Now usually lately I've been cutting the lace off before I do an install, but for some reason I don't know why I didn't do it this time, but it still came out good. It still came out melted and everything, but yeah, that's just how I do mine now. So now I'm just pretty much finishing off the tracks. I'm pretty much done with the sewing part. Okay, so right here I have my hot combing the edges and everything, making sure everything is flat and good. I'm gonna go ahead and also fix her back, the back of her edges in the back. She didn't want me to show that. Of course I wasn't gonna show it anyways. The white cast in the front, I'm gonna spray some True Match lace conceal on it in dark. That's what I sprayed on it. It blended very well, and that's what I use. Only use True Match. Everyone else's I found it'll blend for a minute, then it just doesn't work for me. So I'm gonna stick with what works. And then she wanted me to go ahead and add some loose curls, so that's what we did. And you'll see how well it blended at the end of the video. You can see the cast really good right here. Once I pull the camera up, right there, that white cast right there. I used True Match lace conceal lace tint in dark, and you'll see it at the very end. That I don't know if I put it on camera or not, but I did do it, and it made it blend very well. So just pay attention to it at the very end. You'll see. See, no more white cast. That's why I'm turning around. Hopefully I'll get back to the front so you guys can see. See, no more white cast on it. Yeah, I did it off camera, but you see the blend. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.